NIO's earnings kill my vibe, guys. What's up? My name is Ali and welcome to my channel. And before we start, everybody knows the rule. Subscribe to my channel and click that like button. And let's talk about NIO's earnings. First of all, I just want to tell you guys that earnings weren't that bad. I don't know why everyone online is talking about NIO's earnings are so bad, this stock is going to drain, I'm selling my stocks and etc. Well, first of all, if you own NIO's stocks, definitely don't sell it. It's my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm keeping my NIO stock long term, that's for sure. The Q4 earnings of 2020 were great. Well, we all know that 2020 was a very difficult year for everyone, not only for China or the United States. For everyone in the world, the year was really crazy, especially in the beginning of the year when Corona just started. And don't forget, Corona started in China. So the first quarter of 2020, NIO was struggling a lot. And in general, 2020 was a transitional year for NIO. The deliveries in Q4 actually increased. They delivered more than 17,000 cars. It's more than 100% increase year over year. And also Q4 delivered more cars than in Q3. And the revenue in Q4 actually topped more than $1 billion. The big miss for NIO stock actually was a loss per share. Everybody expected that it was going to be around 10 cents per share, and actually it was 14 cents per share. But it's not a big deal because everybody is actually talking about the revenue, and actually everybody wants to know how many cars NIO actually can deliver per month and per quarter. And these numbers were actually good and higher than Q3 and definitely higher year over year. The growth is crazy. It's in triple digits percentage wise. And in January 2021, they delivered more than 7,000 cars, which is increased with December. But unfortunately, in February 2021, the delivery for NIO's cars were at 5,000 pieces. But you should understand, guys, that first of all, I'm pretty sure that February 12th, it's the beginning of Chinese New Year. It's a huge holiday. Just think about 4th of July, Christmas, and Easter combined together in just 1 month. Nobody's working, and as we all know, when big holidays are up, everybody is actually holding on to big purchases like cars. So this is why NIO delivered only 5,000 with some change cars, and February is a short month. But NIO said that they're expecting to deliver around 25,000 vehicles in the first quarter of 2021, which is a great numbers, and it's increased from Q4 and definitely a growth year over year in comparison with the first quarter of 2020. And there are news that NIO about to hit the European market. They're going to start shipping their cars to European market in the second part of 2021. So we're going to see a lot of improvement in numbers, a lot of new deliveries in Europe. Europe is a huge market, especially Northern Europe, Finland, Sweden, and other countries. They're very electrified. I think that more than 50% of cars that people bought in 2020 in Sweden, they were electric vehicles. So the market is huge for NIO, and as we all know, there are new rumors that NIO will come to the North American market, and these two markets, they are a huge opportunity to NIO for future growing. And like I said, by 2025, China said that 80% of government vehicles will be electric vehicle. So we have a huge potential to grow. If you bought NIO stock, I'm definitely holding mine, but just keep in mind that this coming week, most likely NIO will be very volatile, especially tomorrow, Tuesday the 2nd, because everybody actually expected better numbers. But at the same time, there are a lot of rumors and bad news online about NIO, which are totally rumors. They're not true. If a lot of people don't understand the numbers, they don't understand that loss per share is not that important in comparison with delivery numbers and in comparison with demand for these cars. So we just have to go through this week, and stock will normalize all 2020. Every time when NIO announces earnings, the next couple days right after the earning call, the stocks were selling off. It was going down, but week after, actually it was going up to new highs. Like I said, I think that by the end of March 2021, NIO will actually hit $60, maybe even $60 plus, and then if they can top their deliveries to 25,000 cars in first quarter of 2021, we will have a great year for NIO. And like I said, I think that NIO will hit at least $80 per share by the end of the second quarter. We'll see. It all depends on the numbers from the first quarter, but so far we're looking very good. The revenue is actually growing. The cash balance actually climbed from 3.3 billion in third quarter in 2020 to 6.5 billion in a fourth quarter of 2020, which is a very great news. And also the one of the most important parts right here, the margin. And as we all know, margin in production is a very important number, because margin actually tells you how much you make money on one piece that you sell, which is on one vehicle, and it increased to 17.2% from negative 8.9%. So NIO was losing 8.9% for every car that they sold, and right now they're making 17.9% for every car. And this is a great news, guys. Like I said, we just have to go through this week. It's always crazy because a lot of people will sell because they're afraid that NIO stock will go down because earnings weren't good. But like I said, in my opinion, earnings were really good, and the loss per share is not that big of a deal in comparison with numbers that they show to us. So company seems to be very healthy. The 2021 is definitely a growth year for NIO, and I will keep you in touch with all latest news if something really huge and valuable will come out. But right now, that's it for today's. Click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you're selling your stock or you're actually keeping. I'm definitely keeping mine for a long term. Like I said before, it's definitely my retirement stock. Take care, guys.